Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Razer wireless charger. Now you can pick this up from Razer.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $100. Now I know what y'all getting ready to say because I said the same thing too. $100 for a wireless charger. The price is too goddamn high. But here's the thing you got to remember. If you got a dope desktop setup and you heavy into that RGB lifestyle and you're already fully invested into the Razer ecosystem, you got the Razer RGB keyboard, the RGB mouse, RGB mouse pad, the RGB Chroma lights behind your computer, the RGB gaming headset with the stand, then you need this. Now y'all know my motto, hashtag RGB life. This is mandatory for me. Not to mention, even though it's designed for the Razer Phone 2, it'll work on any phone that has wireless charging. And we're going to test that out. All right, so first thing first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love
White
my
shoes.
white shoes.
Calm down. All right, here we go. Razer wireless charger for Razer Phone 2. Now, like I said, this will work on any phone that has wireless charging. Let's go through the features real quick. There's your Qi symbol, Qi charging standard. Now, this has 3 coils, so that's going to give you a wide charging surface range. Now, this is a base and a stand, so you can charge your phone flat or put it up on a stand. And you got your Razer Chroma underglow. That's the RGB lights. Compatibility, Razer Phone 2, and any Qi-enabled wireless phone. All right, let me grab a little unboxing knife. Let's see what we got on deck. All right, since we got Razer with the green, let's go with the Incredible Hulk. Here we go. Wow. Now, for $100, let's check this presentation. Okay, now if you ever bought anything from Razer, you know what to expect. Here it is. Inside the box, let's see. Here we go. Bingo. You got your official Razer Troll stickers. Pluck that, put it into your back pocket. Got your usual books and shit. You might have to read those. Check out this plug. Now, this is a quality plug right here. Let's get the plastic off of this so you can enjoy this matte. Look at the matte feel on this with your Razer insignia. Now, I actually love this Razer sign. Looks so dope. Let's see what else you get. Here's your wireless charging stand. I'll save that for last. Oh, check this out. Now you get your USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. But it's braided. So this is a quality cable. Now here's your charging stand. For $100, let's see what it is. Okay, so you got the directions. We'll save that. Look at the front of this. Now this is a soft feel, so it's not going to scratch up your phone. Razer insignia. Let me do the smell test on this. Smells like a win right here. Here's your button. Now this is a multifunctional button. Let's see on the back, USB Type-C slot. On the bottom, nice rubber padding, so it's not going to slide around on your table. And there's your Razer Chroma RGB lights. Let's see now. Look, now check this out. All right, shoot a little bit. This slides, and it slides up into a stand. So let's see how that looks on the table. Shoes, scoot just a little bit. White shoes. All right, check this out. All right, so you can put your phone. Let me grab a little phone. I just happen to have an LG G7. You can charge your phone like this. Or you can slide it up and turn it into a full stand and charge your phone like this. Now, I'm going to pause the video, download the app, plug everything in it, and we'll do a little demo. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, let's set this up together. The first thing you want to do is plug it in. Now, once you plug it in, you're going to see the RGB lights activated on the bottom. Next, download the Razer Chroma app on Android or iOS. Once you open it up, this is what you're going to see. Now, I happen to be using a Razer Phone 2, but like I said, it'll work on any phone that has wireless charging. You're going to swipe over to pair new device. Hold down the multifunctional button on the front until the RGB lights start flashing blue. Right there it is. Select pair new device. There's your Razer wireless charger. Just like that. Now it's already connected. Now, if you look at the bottom, you got different colors cycling through. Now, from the app, you can change all of the settings. All right, so let's minimize this. You got your charging effect. All right, so you got breathing. That'll be the flashing lights. You got spectrum. It'll just go through all the different light colors. You got static. You could pick any one color that you want and just have it stay on that color. And you got wave. Now just be a color wave. Now when you go to settings, you can also change the direction of the wave. And you can also change the LED brightness. We'll put it on max. All right, let's see anything else. Advanced settings, let's see. Status indicator, we'll leave that on. Charging effect timer. Now you can make this turn off after 15 minutes all the way up to an hour. Or you can just do like I'm going to do and turn it off completely. This way it'll always stay on. Now you got your standby effect timer. Again, all the way up to an hour. Or turn it off completely and let it just stay on. Status indicator, we'll leave that on. Let's see, standby effect. We'll leave that on color waves. You see, this is the color wave. Matter of fact, let's go through some of the different ones. That's the color wave. This is breathing. Now, for breathing, it's just going to turn on one color and like take a deep breath and turn it back off. I'll do this again with the lights a little dimmer so you can get a better look. Let's go to spectrum. Now, it's basically just going to go through all of the different colors. See for yourself. And now let's go to static. Say you just want static red. You put it on static red. Now it's a Bluetooth connection, so it takes a couple of seconds. But then now you see it's just going to stay on red. But I like something fancy, so let's do color wave. That's how it's going to look. Now let's try it out. Matter of fact, let me dim the lights a little bit. Okay, so right now, I got the standby effect as static red. So when it's in standby, just static red color. I got the charging effect set to color wave. So once I put this on the charger, it should turn into color wave. Here we go. There's your green light. That means it's charging. And that's the color wave. Now look how sick this looks. Super bright. Now let's take the phone off. Back to static red. Now I'm going to put it in landscape. Just like that. Now let's try out a couple of other phones. All right, so now let's check wireless charging on some of the flagship phones that's out. And on a side note, keep in mind that this was designed for the Razer Phone 2. Now, the Razer Phone 2 is a really tall phone, and the wireless charging coils are pretty high. That's why this phone is able to work in portrait mode and in landscape mode. Now, with a lot of these flagship phones, I suspect that they're only going to work in landscape mode, or you're going to have to lay it down flat. Let's start off with the iPhone XS. All right, so we'll put it in portrait mode. Now, you see that red flashing light? That means that it's not charging. Let's put it in landscape mode. There it is. Now it's charging up. Now let's put it flat. And it's charging up. Let's try the iPhone XS Max. Now this is a tall phone. Look for those red lights. Okay, so it's not charging up. Let's put it in landscape mode. There it is, charging up. Now, if it charges in landscape mode, we don't have to test it flat. That means it's definitely going to work. Let's try some Galaxy phones. All right, so we got the Galaxy S10e. Okay, now you see not even registering. Put it in landscape mode. Just like that. Let's try Galaxy S10. Now, this is a little bit taller. Okay, nothing with this one. Put it in landscape. Charging up. I love that color wave. Let's try a big boy. We got the Galaxy S10 Plus. Okay, so the coils are really low on this one. There it is. Charging up. Let's try Galaxy Note 9. Okay, now you see the red lights. It's not charging up, but it did register. Put it in landscape. Charging right up. Let's try LG G7. Okay, we got a G7. Okay, no registration. Let's put it in landscape. Charging right up. Let's try LG G8. Same thing. Didn't register. Put it in landscape. You see the pattern that's going on here. Basically, all of the flagship phones will work just in landscape. Let's try a couple of Huawei phones. We got the Mate RS. Okay, nothing on that one. Okay, there's your wireless charge. And let's try the Mate 20 Pro. We'll try standing up first. Okay, nothing. Put it in landscape. Charge them right up. So, if you don't have the Razer Phone 2, if you're using this wireless charger, you're going to have to put your phone on the charger in landscape mode, which still looks pretty nice. Or you're just going to have to make the charger flat, and then you could drop any phone right on the top. Now, keep this in mind. This also works as a night mode button. So say you got this on standby, and it's right next to your bed, and it's pretty annoying. Just press that button, and that'll turn off the RGB lights. It'll still be wirelessly charging, just with no lights. You see, got the green light that lets you know that it's accepting the charge, but no lights on the bottom. Now I'm going to hit that button. There's your color wave. Let's see if we can charge this in this direction. Yep, just like that. Now let me show you what this looks like set up in my RGB man cave. All right, so let me give y'all a quick tour of the RGB life. Check this out. Now this is where I do all my live streams at. All right, so let's walk through. Got the RGB gaming chair. Then we got one computer setup. All right, RGB mouse, mouse pad, keyboard. We got the Chroma lights behind the computer. Got a TV, RGB lights on deck. Here's the Razer wireless charger. Looking sexy. Then we got another computer set up right here. Laptop. Mac computer. Couple of speakers, gaming headsets, straight RGB overload. Same thing on this side. Now if you notice, we got the RGB lights behind all the computers. We got a lumetric time clock. We got the big boy LG speakers. Here's my RGB light machine. And that's gonna give you that effect on the ceiling. Real nice. Got the digital fireplace. Another TV, more RGB lights. And of course, my RGB guitar. Couple of trap phones on deck. Little YouTube award. And that's pretty much it. This is the RGB lifestyle. Alright, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, the Razer wireless charger is a major go. This is 100% win. Now the price is a little bit steep, but you get exactly what you pay for, quality. Think about it like this. You got a dope desktop setup or a fancy gaming setup, what you think is going to look better? A plain black Samsung charger like this, one of these cheap Zizzo chargers like this, or the Razer wireless charger? The choice is yours. The build quality is excellent, all premium materials, nothing cheap at all. You got a fully functional app that gives you control of all of the different light settings and a bunch of different light settings to choose. Now this works on every phone that's wireless charge compatible. You get fast wireless charge. Now on a side note, if your phone is not fast wireless charge compatible, then you're going to get slow charge. But you know the old saying, slow charge is better than no charge. Hashtag bars. And my favorite thing about this wireless charger, the RGB lights. Hashtag RGB life. These look insane. All right, if you got a Razer Phone 2, this is mandatory. If you got a dope desktop setup, a crazy looking man cave, you need one of these. Trust me. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock won the beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facebook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.